One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Asparagus, beetroot, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, celeriac, corn cob, cucumber, eggplant, garlic, iceberg lettuce, leek, lettuce, mushroom, onion, parsnip, pepper, potato, pumpkin, radish, squash, sweet potato, tomato, zucchini, bed, books, bottle, bread, briefcase, bun, cake, candle, cheese, chicken stripes, clock, cup, dinosaur, donut, fridge, fries, garbage truck, ghost, hamburger, hat, house, kettle, key, plushie, rubber duck, shoes, teddy bear, tricycle,
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100
Carrot, radish, pepper, iceberg lettuce, squash, cucumber, broccoli, carrot, eggplant, Brussels sprout, carrot, squash, iceberg lettuce, mushroom, onion, cucumber, Brussels sprout, garlic, potato, pumpkin, cauliflower, asparagus, pepper, eggplant, Brussels sprout, asparagus, ghost, key, candle, dinosaur, plushie, garbage truck, dinosaur, hat, bottle, teddy bear, briefcase, donut, candle, ghost, teddy bear, cake, books, fridge, books, fries, rubber duck, books, bun, briefcase, house, hamburger, hat, plushie, thanks for watching. You did an amazing job today. Repeat after me.
A
A is for ant.
B
B is for bear. Today we will learn the names of animals.
C
C is for cat.
D
D is for dog.
E
E is for elephant.
F
F is for fox.
G
G is for giraffe.
H
H is for horse. I is for iguana.
J
J is for jaguar. Let's learn some colors with bowling pins.
violet,
orange, blue, purple,
K,
K is for koala.
L,
L is for lion.
M,
N is for monkey.
N,
N is for narwhal.
O,
O is for owl.
P,
P is for penguin.
red,
green, blue, orange, yellow, pink, purple,
black, white, brown,
gray,
red, Q,
Q is for quokka.
R,
R is for rabbit.
S,
S is for spider.
T,
T is for tiger.
U,
U is for unicorn.
V,
V is for vulture.
W,
W is for wolf.
X,
X is for Xanthus beard.
Y,
Y is for yak.
Z,
Z is for zebra.
blue, orange, yellow, pink, purple,
black, white, violet, brown,
gray,
red,
green, blue, orange, yellow.
See you in the next video.